go. Children, where are you going? You're going to fetch water. Where do you normally use this water to? To move the office. What else do you do with this water? Yeah, we are still proceeding on. Yeah. Yeah. The paths are just impassable. See, it's just a bushy area. There we are. We have just reached there, and we have met some other people also from the community fetching water. They even wash from here. We have found them there washing as well. Yeah, these are some of the kids who have found them here washing the clothes. You see, it is even further that here. Yeah. So you see here now, kids, we have reached to where we normally So we have reached to this depression whereby we are getting the water. You see the kids have come to fetch the water, and really it doesn't look good at all. So if you try to put this water in the glass, you can definitely see the picture of it. Look, really it's not safe at all for these kids at school that we use this water for drinking, with this water for doing a lot of activities at school. But if you try to see the bucket, look, it's really very, very dirty water. And sometimes people with the cows, they also come and drink water from here. So really, we are looking for anyone that can stand with us and do something which is good for this. Yeah, so far, finally, I remain Pastor Omichabonezenka, Kasesenge Blessed Champion Primary School. Looking forward to our meeting. Yeah, guys, hurry up. We need to go. Time is not our friend. So, is everyone ready? We want to go. Yeah, I think we need to go. Guys, let's go. Water is life for sure. Kids here, we are struggling with water. Look how many children. Very many people here. And this is where we ought to buy ours too. So, yeah, water is essential here in the dry season. The
whole village is out to see this. Look at this. Unbelievable. You got it up here. We made it. We're gonna have a swim later. You're gonna all have a shower. Well done, driver. Yeah. Gee, that's amazing. How about that? Yeah. Hello. Water. Thank you, Niall. Thank you, Niall. Oh. They never heard of a Niall. Yeah. The river Niall. Big baby, that's a big baby. They're rolling down the hill. You know they're rolling down the hill on you. Hey, but you know they're rolling down the hill. Ends up in the lake. Brilliant.
Petro, thank you very much. We are already filling up the tank. Then you can try. Yeah. It looks good. Yeah, that's what it's like. Wow.